Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the name of Allah, the compassionate, the most merciful. Dear students, grade 6, welcome to our period. Inshallah, today we are going to complete our lessons from Unit 11. And this is the fourth. This is the fourth and fifth lesson from your student book in this unit. Let's start. We are going to start with exercise 11, work in pairs. One of you is A and the other is B. A, choose a place on the map. Don't tell B what the place is. Start at Peter's house. Give your friend directions how to get to the place. B, look at the map and listen to A's directions. Guess where A is going. You are at the park. Come out of Peter's house and turn right. Go straight on until you get to Market Street. Turn left, then take the first right. This place is on your right. Where am I? Let's go to the next exercise, writing, working groups. Answer these questions. Which of these words describe Kuwait? Let's read. Cold, hot, flat, hilly, modern, old-fashioned, big, small, wet, dry, interesting, and beautiful. Which of these words describe Kuwait? Yes, hot. Okay, hot, flat, modern, small, dry, and beautiful. Kuwait is hot, flat, modern, small, dry, beautiful. All these adjectives can describe Kuwait. Which of these things can you see in Kuwait? Mountains, the sea, islands, tall buildings, rivers, desert, beaches. Yes, who can give me the answer? Yes, the sea, an island, tall buildings, and desert. Beaches, okay. What will tourists come to see in Kuwait? Think of an interesting place to visit. Think of a fun place to visit. Think of an educational place to visit. Okay, an interesting place to visit is, okay, the avenues. A fun place to visit is Kuwait Magic, yes. An educational place to visit is Kuwait University. Okay. Remember to write in good handwriting, leave space between words, use punctuation marks, use the correct tense. Exercise 15. Use your answers to the above questions and the following pictures to write a brief description of Kuwait in your notebook.
Kuwait City is the capital of the Gulf nation of Kuwait. At its heart sits the Grand Mosque, known for its vast interior and chandeliered dome. On the waterfront, the late 19th century Seif Palace features a neo-Arabic watchtower and manicured gardens. Number 1, Kuwait Tower. The Kuwait Tower is actually a group of 3 towers in Arabian Gulf Street in Dasmani. A symbol of economic resurgence in Kuwait, the towers were built a year after Kuwait's independence from England. A combination of traditional Islamic design with modern architecture, the towers are often compared to the slender minarets of the mosques of Samarkand and Bukhara. Number 2, Tariq Recep Museum. a personal collection by Kuwait's First Minister Tariq Sayed Rajab and his British wife, Jahan Wellborn, get submerged in history and transported back in time in this small-scale museum housed in the basement of a villa in Jabriya. The exquisite collection here includes Islamic arts, ceramics, gold and silver jewelry, metal and glass works, costumes, pottery, Bahraini pearls, manuscripts, musical instruments, and a lot more. Number 3. National Museum. Designed by French architect Michel Ecochard, the National Museum is the true representation of Kuwaiti heritage. The museum was formerly the residence of the royal Al Sabah family. Although it was plundered during the Gulf War, a lot of it has been restored over the years. There are 3 main sections: archaeology, heritage, and planetarium. Number 4. Grand Mosque. Located in the heart of the city, this mosque is known as the Al Masjid Al Kabir by the locals. Kuwait's largest mosque, the Grand Mosque, is known for its conventional Islamic architecture. The mosque is not as impressive from the outside as it is from the inside, with a capacity of some 10,000 people. There are elements of Persian structural design characterized by a central dome, pointed arches, and pillar arcades. Number 5. Liberation Tower. This is the symbol of Kuwait's liberation. The tower is named after the multinational coalition that led to the liberation of the country from annexation by Iraq. The structure is made of ceramic tiles. Apart from the telecommunications office, there is a revolving restaurant and an observation platform. Number 6. Kuwait House of National Works. An ode to the Kuwait citizens, military, and allied forces that were martyred to expel the Iraqi perpetrators from Kuwait. Located in Shuwaik, this memorial museum captures the morbid period of the First Gulf War in 1990-91. The exhibits comprise a set of crafted city models that are stamped in time with recordings in both Arabic and English. Number 7. House of Mirrors. This house belongs to Italian-born Lydia Al-Khattan, sculptor, painter, jeweler, and her family. As story goes, her daughter Jalila had once broken a mirror, and oblivious to the superstitious belief surrounding broken mirrors, Lydia was inspired to do something artistic with the glass shards. Although visits are only on prior appointment basis, the hosts are friendly and welcoming. Number 8. Aquarium and Scientific Center. In Salmiya of Kuwait, the Scientific Center is located along the waterfront. There are 3 main places of attraction inside the Science Center, namely the aquarium, the Discovery Palace, and IMAX Cinema. The Dow Harbor is also located right along the waterfront. One of the largest aquariums in the Middle East, there are a wide variety of species in different types of environment conditions. Number 9. Seif Palace. The Emir household, however, never lived in the Seif Palace, and instead the palace served as a court for celebrations. Built by Sheikh Mubarak, this palace is considered to be an integral part of Kuwait City and its progress. It is a splendid example of Islamic architecture, with original Islamic mosaic tile work. Number 10. Al Sada House. The Sada House is a unique museum, a marked departure from the usual collection of artifacts and antiquities. Beit Al Sadu was formerly a traditional Kuwaiti house, located right next to the National Museum, on Gulf Road. It now stands as an interesting museum that exhibits Bedouin style of weaving, Sada weaving. The Al Sada Society was established to preserve these Bedouin crafts from extinction. Hope you like this video. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel.
Okay, let's write a paragraph about Kuwait. Here, a model answer. Kuwait is a lovely country. Kuwait is a lovely country. It's very modern and beautiful. Kuwait is flat and small. The weather is very hot and dry in summer. There are beautiful beaches in Kuwait. It has got large and tall buildings. Kuwait has got some nice islands. Tourists like visiting the avenues and Failak Island. They like the scientific center and the aquarium. They enjoy seeing the colorful fish there. But for me, I like Kuwait Towers and Kuwait Magic. I like Kuwait very much. Exercise 16. Match the words. Okay, adjectives and nouns. Let's read the adjectives at first. Large, high, beautiful, long, modern, lovely, small, old-fashioned. The nouns: lake, river, mountain, forest, building, bridge, beach, island. Match the words. Okay, large, forest, beautiful, lake, modern, bridge, lovely, beach, small, island. Long, river, high, mountain, old-fashioned, building. Okay, old-fashioned means very old. Okay, exercise 17. Read about the picture. Circle the adjectives. Read and circle the adjectives. I can see a beautiful beach. Some children are collecting shells. There is a large forest on the right. The sea looks lovely and blue. There is a small island in the sea. It has some houses on it. They look old-fashioned. There are a lot of trees. There is a small boat sailing around the island. I can see 4 people on it. They are waving and calling. Circle the adjectives. Who can? Yes, beautiful, large, lovely, blue, small, old-fashioned, small. Okay, these are the adjectives in this text. Again, beautiful, large, lovely, blue, small, old-fashioned, small. Okay, with this exercise, we've arrived at the end of our lesson. Inshallah, we are going to complete next time. See you later, alligators. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.